Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker's blended family. A heartwarming look into their beautiful journey. Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker have captured public attention not just with their whirlwind romance, lavish wedding or punk rock meets Hollywood aesthetic, but also with a heartfelt journey of blending their two families into one unified, loving household. From festive holiday portraits to red carpet premieres, and cozy family vacations to tender moments with their newborn son, their story is a modern take on love, patience, and unity. The beginning of a blended family. When Kourtney Kardashian, reality TV mogul and mom of three, fell in love with Travis Barker, legendary drummer of Blink-182 and father of three, it wasn't just the merging of two celebrity worlds. It was the coming together of two complex families with histories, children, and evolving dynamics. Kourtney shares her children Mason, born 2009, Penelope, born 2012, and Rain, born 2014, with ex-partner Scott Disick. Travis has two children, Landon, born 2003, and Alabama, born 2005, as well as a close stepfather relationship with Atiana de la Hoya, daughter of his ex-wife Shauna Moakler. When Kourtney and Travis officially began dating in 2020, they approached the process of blending their families with thoughtfulness and care. They didn't immediately force interactions between their children. Instead, they allowed organic relationships to form, nurturing mutual respect, kindness, and emotional connection along the way. Red carpet family debuts. The world got its first glimpse of the Barker-Kardashian family unit during various public events, including the Los Angeles premiere of Hulu's The Kardashians in 2022. Travis proudly walked the red carpet with his children, Alabama, Landon, and Atiana, while Kourtney posed alongside her youngest son, Rain. Dressed in coordinated black outfits, the family exuded unity and style. Later that year, the couple and their children were seen attending the Tommy Hilfiger show at New York Fashion Week. The kids stole the spotlight, showing their individual styles while representing the coming together of two high-profile family legacies. Whether it was Penelope in punk-inspired plaids or Alabama channeling glam fashionista vibes, each child seemed to blend elements of their parents' personalities. Holiday celebrations with heart. Holiday seasons have become especially meaningful for the Kardashian-Barker family. In 2021, Kourtney and Travis celebrated Christmas Eve with their full blended brood: Penelope, Rain, Mason, Alabama, Landon, and Atiana. They shared cozy photos in matching pajamas, posing under lavish holiday decor with infectious smiles and warm hugs. It was clear this wasn't a mere photo opportunity. It was a genuine celebration of family. Fast forward to December 2024, and the family was now even bigger. Their first Christmas with baby Rocky 13 Barker was filled with sweet candids. Whether snuggling the newborn in front of a glittering Christmas tree or watching the older siblings exchange gifts, every image reflected the joy and peace they'd found in each other. Life with baby Rocky. Rocky 13, born in November 2023, is the couple's first child together. Travis and Kourtney have kept much of Rocky's early life private, only sharing glimpses of his tiny feet or the back of his head in Instagram stories. Still, fans have seen heartwarming shots of Rocky holding drumsticks like Dad, joining the family on beach strolls, or peacefully sleeping in his mother's arms during family vacations. The couple has expressed how Rocky's arrival has further bonded the family. Travis, already a doting father, has embraced his role with pride and love, while Kourtney, known for her hands-on parenting style, has gushed about the magic of starting over with a baby after raising three older kids. Family vacations and everyday moments. Beyond the glitz, the Kardashian-Barker clan enjoys down-to-earth moments too. The family has been spotted exploring Australia, visiting Disneyland, and enjoying beach days in Malibu. These casual outings often show the children laughing, playing, and enjoying time with one another, a true testament to the success of their blending process. Fans particularly love when Alabama and Penelope post on social media, showing silly sibling moments or beauty tutorials they do together. Atiana, often praised for her maturity and grace, has taken on a big sister role, supporting all her younger siblings. The challenges of blending. Kourtney has been open about the emotional complexities of blending families. In a candid interview, she revealed that the transition wasn't seamless. Her children, especially during the early stages, experienced some discomfort adjusting to the changes. Rather than rushing things, she and Travis decided to keep separate homes for a time after marrying, easing everyone into their new reality. She also admitted that she chose to not take on a disciplinarian role with Travis's kids. Instead, she focused on building emotional trust and offering support. This respectful approach paid off, with Alabama and Landon publicly calling her the best stepmom ever on social media and during Mother's Day celebrations. Travis, on his end, embraced Kourtney's kids as his own. He's been spotted at soccer games for Rain, birthdays for Penelope, and Disneyland trips with Mason. His genuine investment in their happiness has helped create a strong foundation of trust and affection, a home built on love. While the Kardashian-Barker home may include designer furniture, custom kitchens, and a media room, it's the emotional warmth that stands out most. Photos from their Calabasas estate show intimate family dinners, kids doing homework at the kitchen island, and dogs lounging on the couch alongside them. The children have formed their own bonds too. Landon and Mason have been seen skateboarding together, while Alabama and Penelope often share sisterly selfies. Rain, the youngest of Kourtney's older kids, is frequently the center of everyone's attention, with all siblings doting on him. A story still unfolding. Kourtney and Travis's journey isn't one of perfection. It's one of patience, respect, and deep love. As their children grow and navigate life in the spotlight, the couple remains fiercely protective, guiding them with a mix of independence and care. Their family photos, whether it's from a luxury getaway or a cozy night in, tell a story that many blended families can relate to. Despite fame, and fortune at their core, they're just parents trying to give their children love, stability, and belonging. The Kardashian-Barker family continues to share their story one moment at a time. Through a quiet smile during a red carpet appearance, a silly birthday prank on TikTok, or a blurry photo of baby Rocky's first steps. Every image is a chapter, and the book is still being written, with joy, challenges, and everything in between.